Welcome to the guide to install the Blender plugin. To install it, we go to the top of Deadline and Tools. Download. Integrated Submission Scripts. Next, we select the plugin we want to download. In this case it will be Blender. We go to the three lower points to select the download location and select where it will be stored. Now, we go to the location from where we have downloaded it and we execute the exe. We give next and we accept the terms. In this tab we need to put the location of Blender. In our case it is 3.3 and we will go where it is installed. We paste the path of the Blender installation and click Next. It will start to install. Once installed, we can open Blender. In our case we will open our test file from our test folder, connected to ACRender. The next step is to activate the Blender plugin. For them we will go to the top left, in Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and activate the Deadline plugin. Now we are almost ready. To render we have to go to the upper left tab in Render, Submit to Deadline. A window will appear to send the render. We recommend only to change the following sections. First, the name of the task. We can put whatever we want. In the lower options are the most important, like where to load the Blender files. You have to verify always that you have to work from the folder of our user. In the output section, if we have not defined it in our Blender file, we can overwrite where it will be saved, always in our user folder. The number of frames we want to render. Here we have to verify that the frame per task is 1. If we want the GPU to render, it must have GPU equals on written by default. We only have to send the render and enjoy the service.